Hello world, welcome to the 227th video on my channel where I'm building my own digital assistant named Shane, like Jarvis from the Iron Man movies and comics. In today's video, I would like to revisit the OpenAI Whisper library that I showed off in video 190, and you can click on that video here, or I'll leave a link in the description. But I recently bought a new computer and it has a real GeForce graphical processing unit. My gaming laptop had one, it was a 1000 series, and my new computer is an Alienware modern-ish computer that has a 4000 series GPU. And so I just want to go back, see if the installation instructions are the same, and then redo my OpenAI library to see if it's faster or better. So I use the OpenAI Whisper library to create transcripts of my YouTube videos so I can put those on my channel for all those who like to put the closed captions on. And YouTube's inherent script system is inaccurate at best. I don't really like it when I first started. And so this OpenAI Whisper library has been a blessing, and I want to see if it works better on the GPU. And so if you don't know how to do GPU, let's start there. Then we'll go into installation, and then we'll go into Python and check out the library. So let's go. All right, so before we go quickly over the installation procedures, nothing has changed since my original video, so I suggest you watch that one for a slower explanation. But just to check your own graphics card or your own GPU, you can press the Windows and X key if you have a Windows computer. So, and then go to Device Manager. And then from here, click on Display Adapters. And there you can find your RTX. So I have a 4000 series. It's not the best one, I know. But my gaming laptop had a 1000 series. And it just wasn't very strong. But it also had another display adapter on there as well. So I would have to manually force programs to use the GPU or not. But now, like most modern desktops, you just have a GPU and that's it. And so the first thing you need to do is search for FFmpeg download, and then click this one right here. Should take you to a site like this. If you have a Windows computer, click here, Apple, Linux. So I have a Windows computer. And then you can Windows build from guion.dev. You can go to release builds right here. And then download this zip. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and open it. Extract all. You could just leave it in that folder, it's fine. Extract all. Now you don't have to do this, but it's something I missed in the first video. So go into the new extracted folder right here and just actually rename this, the top folder right here, the extracted one, to just FFmpeg, like that. And then there you go, and that's it. So I'm sorry, go to downloads and rename this to FFmpeg, like that. And then extract everything in here. So, and then just put it in the original file and then delete it like that. That way it's only one folder into here, and that's it. So not required. I've just seen it on other installation videos. And then I like to cut it here, just move it to my C drive and then just paste it here. You can see I've already done it, and this will make this part easier. So you can go to edit the system variables right here and go to advanced. It'll say computer name. Go to advanced environment variables and then see where this path is. Click edit and then click here, or click FFmpeg, then the bin file, and then highlight this area and copy this address. Go to new and then type and then just paste it in there, which we've already done, so I'm not going to do that. All right, so once it's in your path, you can go to Python and let's open up a new project. So let's go Whisper video, create. All right, so now we have a new project called Whisper Video, and we can go to VCS, browse, no, get from version control. Yeah, here we go. And then Google OpenAI Whisper Git. There you go. And then you'll see this OpenAI Whisper Robust right here. And then you can just copy and paste this here like that, and then clone. The directory already exists and not. So let's go Whisper Video, clone. And now it is cloning it. So you can just go trust project. And then okay, close the README. And now you can create your own file like this. Whisper. We do not want to add, so cancel. And now you can create your own OpenAI Whisper project. So I already have one. So let's go recent projects, Whisper test. And so this is what it looks like. So we're just going to import Whisper. Everything's the same in the original video except for one thing. So model equals whisper.load model, small, because we're just doing basic video transcripts. Then result equals model.transcribe. And then wherever your MP4 of the video is, copy and paste that the link here. Then lines equals result text. And then wherever you want the text version of the transcript to go, put that path there. So with open, the path, comma W. So this will write over, if there's already one called this, it's going to write over it. Or if there's not one there, it's going to create one as F, and then F dot write lines. And that's really it. Now I'm going to run this partially and then cancel it so you can see what happens. So we're going to run transcript, and then it's going to give us a warning that says that the FP16 is not supported on CPU, using FP32 instead. And so what we're going to do instead is just do this. So it's the same line, but we're going to add this FP16 equals false. And then we are going to run it. All right, I'm going to time it, and then we'll cut when it is done. All right, that only took 1 minute and 25 seconds, which is a stark contrast to the 5 to 10 to 15 minutes it took on my laptop. And so if we were to go to videos where I stored it, we now have a text version of my YouTube video on the previous video, the 226th one. So that's pretty exciting. I'm glad that's way quicker, because it would not only take a long time on my laptop, but it would make the fans turn on and it would scream for a little bit. And so 1 minute and 30 seconds is not bad at all. So I hope you enjoyed this revisited video, and I hope this helps you in your projects. Please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.